Today I am again here ready with the second experiment on the chapter reproduction. And the topic is the same, asexual reproduction. Especially today we will discuss budding. See, budding we see in case of yeast, we see in case of hydra, we see even in case of sponges. Like we saw in the first video, the steps through which binary fission was occurring, in the same manner, here also we'll see what are the steps. The very first step you will find when a parent hydra is mature, is grown enough, due to repeated mitotic division, equational division. Due to repeated mitotic division, a small bulb-like projection or a small bulge, it appears on the parent body, especially on the lateral side. Lateral, let me tell you through with the help of the diagram. See, in the first diagram, I have shown you a hydra, a parent hydra, the body, the tentacles, and a small bud is appearing, as you can see, a finger-like projection. So this is that lateral bud I am talking about. A small bulb-like structure or a projection which happens because of repeated mitotic division. In the second diagram, as you can see, in this main parent body of hydra, this new bird which has appeared is now growing. It has got the tentacles now. So it has grown a bit. This will grow to a certain extent, to that extent that when it falls down, and in the third diagram you can see, when it falls down ultimately to the ground, it should be capable enough to behave like a new hydra. So the bird which has appeared in the parent body first, because of repeated mitotic division, a lateral bud, appears to grow here in the second diagram. Not appears, actually, it is growing. It will grow till that level when detached from the parent body, will be capable of an independent recognition of itself. So in the third diagram, as I can show you, the parent hydra and the bud has like slowed off, cut off from the parent body. It has fallen down on the ground. So a new hydra separated from parent. When this new hydra get the conducive environment to grow, will grow into a new hydra, will grow into a new organism. So the basic story started with the parent body having a lateral bud. Lateral means side. Having a lateral bud, the projection, the bulb-like projection, due to repeated mitotic division. Then this bud which has appeared in the parent body is growing further, is growing to that extent that when it falls down, getting a conducive environment on the ground, will grow into an independent hydra. So this is simple budding in case of hydra. In the same manner, you will find in yeast cells. Yeast, the only unicellular fungi. It also shows budding. There also you will find a bulb-like structure, a swollen structure on the parent body, and there we can see the nucleus basically lengthens again, elongates, and then that nucleus divides, goes to the daughter cell also, and further it can form its own buds. Likewise, a whole colony of yeast cells can be generated, which I'll clarify through the diagram later on. Thank you.